What's the most abstract thing you've ever done? 1. When I was 16, I picked out a burial spot for myself. I didn't want a cemetery profiting off me, so I chose a big tree with a nice view on a hill back home. I solemnly told my dad that I wanted to be buried there when I died. He said I had good taste but told me I didn't need to get his approval, just let my future kids know. 2. I learned how to bark like a dog so convincingly that when I visited a police dog training center to see a friend, I ended up in a 2-minute argument with a police dog. The trainer rushed over when he heard the barking and was bewildered when he saw a traffic cop in cycling gear arguing with a dog. Later, my friend told me the trainer thought I was a Chihuahua based on my accent. 3. On my way home from work, I was on the subway when I heard a little boy crying nonstop because his mom wouldn't buy him a toy. His mom tried to calm him down for ages, even threatening, "If you keep crying, I'll sell you." But the kid kept crying. I must have been brain fried from work because I blurted out, "Ma'am, how much for this kid?" The kid looked up at me, and the crying got even louder. 4. When I was little, I really wanted a cat, so I worked hard to convince my parents, arguing that once the cat grew up, it could